In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Claude AI account. By the end, you will be ready to start using Claude with a clean verified account, and I will walk you through each screen so nothing feels confusing. First, open your web browser and head to Claude.ai. Type the address directly into the address bar to make sure you land on the official site. Give the page a moment to load, and you should see the option to sign in or create an account. Next, you will choose how you want to sign up. You can continue with your email, or you can use a Google account. If you prefer to keep things simple and tied to your existing Google login, choose the Google option. If you want your account separate or you don't use Google, select email, either path works. Pick whichever fits your setup. If you are signing up with email, check your inbox right away for a verification code or a link sent by Claude. Keep your browser tab open while you look. If you don't see the message, refresh your inbox and take a quick peek in your spam or promotions folder. Just in case it was filtered. Verification messages often expire. So open it promptly and follow the instructions inside to confirm your email. You'll then be asked to enter a valid phone number to receive a text message verification code. Use a real mobile number that can receive SMS messages. Virtual or VoIP numbers typically won't work here. This step helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Keep your phone nearby so you can get the text quickly. You'll need that code to move forward. If you choose to sign up with a Google account instead, follow the on-screen prompts. You will select which Google account to use and review the permissions that allow Claude to create and manage your login. Confirm when you are comfortable, and the process will continue automatically. To wrap things up, enter your name as you'd like it to appear on your account, then review and agree to the terms. It's a good idea to take a moment to read the terms so you understand how your data is handled and what you are agreeing to. After you accept, your account setup completes, and you are ready to explore Claude. If anything doesn't arrive like an email or text, double-check that your email address is typed correctly and your phone number includes the right country code. A quick refresh or resending the code usually solves it. That's it. Thanks for watching.